the subject of oceanology. There was a verse in the Quran, Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 40, which was shown to Professor Dr. Durga Rao, who is a marine engineer and expert in the field of oceanology. He was teaching in the King Abdulaziz University in Jeddah. Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 40 says, as to the state of the unbeliever, it is like the depths of darkness. It's like the depths of darkness in a vast, deep ocean. Waves topped with dark clouds. If a man stretches out his hand, he cannot see. For to whom Allah sends no light, he does not see. What does this verse of the Quran mean by saying the state of an unbeliever's mind is like the depths of darkness in a vast, deep sea, vast, deep ocean? Waves topped with dark clouds. Darkness above darkness. If a man stretches out his hand, he cannot see. For to whom Allah gives no light, he will not see. When Professor Durga Rao was shown this verse, he said that this verse is not referring to a normal sea. It's referring to a vast, deep ocean. And previously we did not know that the depth of the ocean was dark, because the human being cannot go more than 20 to 30 meters unaided. It is in 1900, when we discovered submarines, we came to know that the deep part of the ocean, it is dark. Even the fishes which swim in the deep part of the ocean, they have their own light. And Professor Durga Rao said that this darkness is due to two phenomena. Number one, when the light enters the ocean, the light is absorbed in layers. And today we know that the light has got 7 components, and we learned in school about VIP cure: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It has 7 components. So when light enters the ocean, the first 10 to 15 meters of the water, it absorbs the red color. So if a man swimming below 25 meters, if he gets injured and if blood comes out, he will not be able to see the red color of his blood. And I remember when I had gone to Mauritius, I had the opportunity of going in a submarine down. So what I did, I took a Kit Kat paper, which is red in color, Kit Kat chocolate. And the moment we kept on going down, when we went below about 15-20 meters, the red color disappeared. It was like a dark brown something, but I could not see red. When I took out my mobile and on the light, I could see the red color again, because the light was there. The moment I switched off the mobile, the torch in my mobile, it was again dark. It wasn't red. So I could personally, because the red color is absorbed by the first 10 to 15 meters. From 30 to 50 meters, the orange color is absorbed. From 50 to 100 meters, the yellow color is absorbed. From 100 to 200 meters, the green color is absorbed. And below 200 meters, the blue color is absorbed, and violet and indigo also. So the light is absorbed in layers, part by part. That's the reason you see darkness in layers. As the Quran says, darkness on darkness. The second reason why there's darkness is, when the sunlight, before it reaches the earth, many a times it is obstructed by the cloud. And the cloud absorbs it. And you see a dark patch below the cloud. This is one of the reasons that light is absorbed. And that which is not obstructed by the cloud, it reaches the ocean. And many a time that is reflected by the waves, you see the silvery. But the Quran says waves topped with waves. What does the Quran mean by waves topped with waves? We see the waves on the superficial part of the ocean. It is recently, about more than 100 years back, 50 years back, 100 years back, 150 years back, we came to know that there are even internal waves. This internal waves, it separates the ocean into two parts, superficial ocean and the deep ocean. The superficial ocean is lit up and warm. The deep ocean is dark and cold. The Quran says, the state of an unbeliever's mind is like the depths of darkness. Waves topped with waves, topped with dark clouds. Darkness above darkness. If a man stretches out his hand, he cannot see it. For whom Allah gives no light, light will not reach him.